Hey, how you doing? I just wanted to tell you about this little experience that I had recently, and it's like sometimes you do a DIY job and it just never turns out like you think, like it ends up being completely different. My friend rang me up a little while ago and he said, "Can you help me build a deck for somebody?" And I said, "Sure, no problem." And he said, "Well, there's a couple of issues. Firstly, there's a 40-metre driveway that's on a slight decline." And at first I thought, that's okay. But then he said, there's also a 20-metre walkway. I'm like, okay, starting to mount a few different things. I went, well, that's not too bad. And then he said, well, there's another thing. There's also a 30-metre dirt path that you have to walk down. I'm like, all right, so there's a bit of walking. We can cope with that. After all the hard bit was done, it became all that cream work once you do the demolition and you do all the hard lifting, the carrying to get in. It just became such a pleasure and a magical spot to be down on that riverside, just tucked away off the main roads. There you are. Sit. Boy, did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Good boy. Kiss. Are you happy? Are you a happy boy? Yeah, look at your tail. Good boy.